Hey, y'all. Welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee, guys. I hope you're having an amazing day, guys. I'm having a great day. As you can see, not only am I having a great day, but I am designing some beautiful baskets, guys. When I tell y'all this is my favorite so far, this is absolutely my favorite. For one thing, those of you that know me, one of my favorite colors are brown. I love browns, oranges. I love all colors, but brown has been my favorite color for years, although I'm kind of leaning towards green now. But brown is one of my favorite colors. Whenever I see these colors, whenever it gives you the fall vibe, kind of, sort of. But guys, of course, it's not fall time, but it definitely speaks volumes for men, okay? We want to keep our colors and everything men related for Father's Day, okay? So guys, listen, I want to tell you this basket is amazing. The prices are amazing. Again, shout out to Elaine LBE for letting us know yesterday on her video, guys, about these products. And guess what? I'm going back. I left about 2 sets. This comes in orange, as you see, and it also comes in green and black. Guys, listen, I am going to clear the shelves because I normally do clear the shelves, but for some reason I left like 2 of these sets behind. I'm going back to my local store and clear the shelves, and then I'm going to a couple more Dollar Generals and clearing the shelves, guys, because this right here is saying something, okay? This looks like a very high-end basket, okay? Although the items in this basket were very inexpensive, the most expensive thing that you will see in this basket are these house slippers that came from Family Dollar, guys. And guess what? Y'all that have been following me know that we only paid $2 for these amazing men's slippers. Guys, that brown is just setting it off. Let me tell you about the other products, where they came from, because as you already know, all the Cold Dapper, maybe I'm pronouncing it right, maybe I'm not, but all of those products came from Dollar Tree, okay? I'm so used to saying Dollar General because I'm a Dollar General queen. But yeah, not Family Dollar, but Dollar Tree. All of these products came from Dollar Tree, guys. Now, the socks came from Dollar General, which were a penny. It was 2 pair in the pack. Of course, I picked out the pair that had the orange mixed in it and stuck that in my basket. So that was a penny. And these journals, baby, and the only other thing I'm probably going to add is a pen. And that's if I can find one that will color coordinate in my stockpile. Now, if I don't have any in my stockpile, baby, we're going to wrap this baby up just like it is. But if I have a pen that will color coordinate with this basket, we're going to stick that pen in there. But that beautiful journal, guys, came from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, y'all. It is cute. It looks like real leather. It's a really nice journal. And these journals had different sayings on it. Some of it said goals, and I forgot what the other one said, but I was like, yeah, this is definitely a plan. Okay, it says plan. I was like, that's definitely a plan to go with the rest of the items I got in my basket. These particular ones came from Roses, you guys. And of course, you know, they sell them at Dollar Tree, but these were at Roses for $1. So we picked those up, and I'm glad I did, because at the time I didn't know what I was going to put it with. I just knew that I was going to use some of my incense holders, okay? These are incense and cone holders, or cone and incense burners. So I was like, okay, I know I got to pick up some. I thought by now I would have gotten my husband's business back up and rolling, guys, but I have not had time to do that. But I'm sure you guys have heard me mention, if you've been following me for a while, my husband used to sell black soaps, oils, incense cones, and he used to make his own incense and cones. So me and my children, of course, are going to carry that legacy on. And y'all probably see my hands yellow, guys. I cook with turmeric, and although I've washed my hands several times, they are still yellow. So don't mind that. I know it looked like it matched the basket, okay? Well, y'all be like, she got yellow jaundice. But no, that's from me seasoning my chicken wings to marinate. But anyway, guys, so yeah, even a container came from Dollar Tree. So you will see nothing over Nothing in this basket was over $2. So we spent $2, $3, $4.25. I spent $2 on this. So $6.25, $6.25, $7.50, $8.75, $10, $11.25, and the container. So we spent like $12.50 on this whole basket, guys. And I'm probably gonna sell this basket for about $45. I probably can even get maybe $50 for it, but I don't want to stretch it, because although I think these products smell amazing and I think they're pretty good quality for $125, I don't really want to go into the 50s and 60s unless I have like Dove or like a well-known name product in there. So I'm probably going to go for $45. And I think that's a really fairly decent price for me. I may do it for $48, okay? I don't quite want to go $50, but I may do it for $48. But we'll see once I get it wrapped and put the bow on it. Y'all know me. I'm saying $45, $48. By the time I put the bow on it, I'm probably going to say $50. But I think it is so, so cute, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. What you think about the color scheme. Do you like it, guys? Have you seen these items in your Dollar Tree? And if you have, I hope you pick them up, guys. Because like I said, I'm going back to get all that I can find, because these beautiful babies can be used for Christmas. They can be used for Valentine's Day. Any holiday, you can use these products, and I'm sure you will sell them, guys. But anyway, I'm going to get off this video. I got to get ready for church, guys. It's really, really short and to the point. I try to make them at least 10 minutes long, but I'm not going to prolong this video. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention before I get off, and I don't want to turn the basket upside down because I haven't taped anything as of yet. But guys, on the bottom, let me see if you can see it. On the bottom of this container, you can't see it, but on the bottom of this container, I put the size of the slippers, okay? I didn't want to put it anywhere on the container so that it wouldn't take away, take away from my loot. So I did put it on the bottom of the container, so I will let my daughters and my son know, whoever is going to be helping me vend. If you're looking for the size of the slippers, it will be up under the container, okay? But more than likely, oh, look, y'all. I didn't even have to do that, because guess what? I love it when it's like this. You will be able to see the size of it anyway when I wrap it up, because it's right there. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Look, y'all. I did not know. Sandalwood. I did not know that these were sandalwood incense, y'all. I cannot make this stuff up, baby. When I tell you that God be with me when I be coordinating this stuff in my mind, I did not know that these were sandalwood incense. And y'all, this is sandalwood product, sandalwood lotion, aftershave. This is hand cream, body wash. I had no idea, guys, when I picked this up from a totally different store, totally different day, that these products would go together. I didn't even think about it when I picked it up that I had some brownish orange color incense at home. But anyway, guys, enough of that. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you like it, if you love it. Let me know all of that good stuff, guys. Let me know how things are going with your Father's Day gift baskets. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Meanwhile, get your money, honey, and fill your bag. To the next video. Bye-bye, y'all.